Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to be talking about finding out if your team members on Slack have seen your sent messages or not. So let us get started right away. Right from the get-go, guys, there's actually no way how you can see, for example, a double check mark next to a send message of yours here to the right, like you see usually on Telegram, Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. So there's actually no way if the given person has seen your message or not by using these checkmark icons. However, guys, there's a way how you can work around this. Although there are no read recepts here on Slack, I unfortunately don't support that feature. You can, for example, ask your team members here on Slack to use something like that here, like for example, adding reactions to the sent message, like nicely done, or to add a green checkmark icon like that, or to send an emoji to the given message sent by yourself that you can see if the given team member has reacted to your send message or not. So it's totally up to you if you give your team members the command or the instruction to reply that way to your sent messages. For example, if you're the head of the given team and you would like your coworkers to react that way and to make sure that they have received your message. What you can also do, guys, is, for example, make sure to check if there are any unread messages you have received by your team members, for example, and ask your team members to do the same. You can do that in your Slack workspace by heading over to DMs here on the left-hand side, here below the home button, and here you will see a list of all the direct messages you or conversations you have had with your team members and coworkers listed below. So you can browse through these conversations here, or simply select or switch to unread here in the top right corner. By doing that, you will see all direct messages and conversations you haven't read or seen or opened, and of course not replied yet. So guys, as you can see, there are currently no unread messages because I read them usually very fast, but you can ask your team members or give them the instructions to regularly check the direct message service or feature here on the left hand side inside their Slack account to check if there are any unread messages sent by you so that they may reply or react to them the way I taught you just a moment ago, guys. So that's the only way how you can work around this. I hope this video was helpful anyway, guys, and I see you next time. Thanks for watching.